Hi there, welcome to In the Bag Kids Crafts. I'm Miss Joy, and crafting with me today is
Sadie.
Sadie, I'm so excited you're here with me today. We decided, after looking at some of the crafts from In the Bag Kids Crafts, that we're gonna make
a turtle.
A turtle. He's cute too. I can't wait to see what you do with your turtle. The special thing about this is the washi tape. So if you look below, you'll see all of the supplies that you need for this craft. And Sadie, are you ready to get going? Yeah, let's go. Let's make a turtle. Here's what you're going to need to make your turtle craft. And just like always, the items on this list are part of the master list that we use to make every single one of the creative projects that you'll see here at In the Bag Kids Crafts. That way, once you fill your bag, you're ready to craft along. Go ahead and pause this so that you can grab all of the things that you need to make your turtle craft with us. So the first thing that we need to do to make our turtle craft with our washi design on his shell is to color the shell. So we flipped our plates over, so we have this part that's not so shiny, and we're just gonna scribble, scribble, scribble. So Sadie and I have each picked a color that we like for the back of our shell, and you can pick whatever color you like. So the next step is to cut the parts for our turtle. So he's gonna need a head, 4 legs, and a tail. So let's go ahead and do the legs first. And to do the legs, all we need are some rectangles, and we're gonna cut a strip right across, just like this. Good job. We want them to be long enough that we can attach them with some glue to the body. And now we're just gonna cut our 4 rectangles. 1, 2, and 4. Good. It looks like we're both gonna have a little bit of green paper left at the end of that. So I think this would be a good piece to cut our tail out of. And we need a long, skinny triangle for the tail. And you can draw it first if you want. That's why we have our pencils on the table. Or you can just cut it out. So it's gonna be long and skinny, just like that. There you go. You wanna draw yours first? That's one, so there you go. So now we have 4 legs and a tail, and he needs a head. And all the head is, we're gonna use our pencils again to draw the head. And it's gonna be a long, skinny oval that just comes up out of the side of the paper, just like that. Nice. Wanna make sure we left some room to attach it to the plate. And we're gonna flip it over so we don't see the pencil that we drew, right? So here we have head, tail, and 4 legs. You did such a nice job cutting yours out, Sadie. I love that. We're not gonna need our scissors anymore, so we can set those to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up our space just a little bit. So, oh, look at that. That's gonna be such a cute little tail for your turtle. I like that. Let's go ahead and grab our glue sticks and yank the top off that glue stick. And we're gonna put lots of glue right at the bottom of the head of our turtle. And we're using lots because these little ridges, sometimes it has trouble sticking to it. We're gonna just put it underneath and press, press, press. If you need to, you can turn it over and give it a nice press so that it stays put. Yeah. Press hard there, Sadie. Make sure it sticks. Okay. And we're gonna do the same thing with each of our legs. So go ahead and take one of your rectangles. And we're gonna do some glue at the bottom. And your legs, of course, 2 on each side. But you can make them however long you want, however short you want. You can make it so he's looking, you know, like doing a little jig. So all his legs are pointing in the same direction or pointing out in different directions. This is your craft, and you'll notice that we're using green paper for this, but you can use whatever color you want. Because this is your turtle, this is your craft, and you should make it your own. Nice job. Yeah, give it a nice squeeze. Sometimes when we're on the slick part, it really is hard to get that glue to stick. So we gotta give it a nice press and sometimes even hold it for a minute to make sure that and Sadie is ahead of me. She's gonna do the tail. Go ahead and put your tail in place, Sadie. We're doing the same thing we did with everything else. And put that tail in place. Good job. So we want to give our turtle some details. So we went ahead, of course he needs some eyeballs, so we got out our wiggly eyes, and ours are self-adhesive, so we just need to peel the back off and stick them in place. But you can also draw the eyes on, or we have paper eyes that you can print out and cut out and use those instead. But we're going to use our googly eyes. I love a good googly eye. What do you think, Sadie? They're cute, huh?
None of these are sticking.
Okay, so sometimes we really got to get that little paper off. I can give you a hand with that if you like. My nails are probably a little longer. You want me to help? Oh, she's got it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some polka dots to my turtle's legs. But you can do whatever you want with your turtle, or nothing at all. You can leave him just as is if you want. I'm gonna give him a little smile. Just a cute little turtle smile.
Maybe the dot helps.
Yeah. Oh, I love that. What a nice smile your turtle has. Let's scooch him out so everyone can see exactly what you're doing. There you go. And we're gonna decorate the shell in a minute, and that's actually my favorite part. We're gonna use something special to decorate the shell. So we won't need to color the shell. It's going to get its own special thing. These are my little pipsqueak markers. They have their own container. We took them out of the container so that we had better access to them. But I like how little and cute they are. Aren't they cute? Oh, so nice. Little polka dots all over those legs. I love that. Scooch out here in the middle, Sadie. People can really see what you're doing. Nice job. Oh, a little purple. You gotta have a little purple, right? Oh, he's so cute. I love him. Look at that. Oh my goodness, adorable. All right, so he's got his eyes. He's got some decorated legs and tail. Now all we have left is to make his shell extra pretty. And for that, we're gonna pull out our washi tape. So washi tape is just paper decorative tape that comes in all kinds of colors and patterns and sizes. You can even get it with glitter on it, or you can get it where it's shiny. And we have these pretty designs today that we're gonna use. And we're just gonna, you can tear it, you can add it wherever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and, yours doesn't have to look like mine. It should look however you want it to look. Yeah, you gotta really yank at that tape, tear it sometimes. If you have to get your scissors out, you can, but I don't usually bother getting my scissors out. And if you made it too short or too long, you can always tear another piece, or you can tear that piece shorter. Works great. There we go. I see mine's just a little too long for what I wanted, so I'm gonna tear it just a bit shorter. There we go. What are you doing? Oh, that is such a pretty tape. I love those colors on yours. I think I'm gonna add some color now. Let's see. Your turtle is gonna look however you want it to look. So when I'm tearing the tape, instead of like trying to pull it apart, because sometimes that's hard, I'll kind of like take it and tear it like this, like get a little hole started with my nails and then tear it the rest of the way. Oh, that piece is too long. There we go.
Ow.
Crafting's not supposed to hurt. She says, ow. Oh my goodness. Let's see. What color do you think I should add, Sadie? I think I'm gonna use some of this one that you used. That was really cute. There we go. Just tear a little piece like this. Just take it, look. I get my nail started, and then I tear it the rest of the way just like that. That's not quite what I wanted. Let's see. I'm gonna take this off. See how it can come back off again too if you put it someplace you don't like it. And you'd be like, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this instead. There we go. What do you think? You want to add a little more washi tape, or are you happy with how yours looks? I think I want to add just a little bit more. Maybe these triangles here. These are cute. You have some of this on yours. I like it a lot. Oh, nice. Yours is so colorful. All right, so take your finger and go along your tape and press it down so it doesn't go anywhere. See how the green's sticking up a little? Take your finger and just press all the way along. There you go. Now it won't come off. It'll stay put for a very long time until you decide you want it off, and you can pull it off. Now you can take as long as you want and make your shell look however you want it to. I love your shell, Sadie. What a nice job you did. Good work. One last one. Nice. Good job. We had such a fun time making turtles today. Let's show them what our turtles look like. Oh, they have like little washi tape in the shell. It's so cute. Sadie, you did such a great job. I love how both of our turtles look so different. I love the polka dots on your legs. They're so cute. So what do we always say when we're crafting together?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And if you look down in the description, again, you'll find all the links and things that you need to make our turtle craft. So have a great day.